Hi everyone, welcome back to the Hair by Kate YouTube channel and another episode of 1,000 Ways to Dye. This is my client Jess, and as we can see, she's kind of experimenting with growing out some of her natural gray. And she has such a pretty natural canvas for her hair, but towards the ends she's got a little bit of like a brassiness coming through. So I'm going to be utilizing the new Lilac Chill High Speed Toner from Pulp Riot to neutralize this yellow and bring her back to a really pretty ashy gray violet color. I'm starting off with about 20 grams of our Lilac Chill High Speed Toner, and I'm going to be using 2 parts of 10 volume with this. I'm electing to use 10 volume instead of 6 because whenever we use 10, we get a little more lift with the toner and it doesn't go straight to deposit. So we want to use 10 to kind of pull some of that warmth out and then deposit the Lilac Chill color. My application for this service is going to be pretty simple. All I'm doing is taking our toner and feathering that up into her natural gray. Because her natural gray is coming in so pretty on its own, we don't really want to take away from that. We just want to get a nice tone going through the mids and ends to complement what's growing out of her head naturally. Lilac Chill is one of my favorite shades from the Pulp Riot High Speed Toners because we can utilize it like we are today, where we're taking it to kind of help us neutralize some warmth and remove yellow tones. But if you're working with a client whose canvas is already at a pretty clean level 9 or 10, we can actually use the Lilac Chill color in more of a creative scenario where if we don't have a lot of starting warmth for this color to neutralize, this will actually deposit a really cool kind of like pastelized purple color. So I'm just really hooked on the versatility that you can get with all of the toners, but Lilac Chill especially. I'm going to continue to work up the back of the head and towards the front 2 sections, but we are going to be doing something a little bit different in one of her front panels to give it a little bit of a fun twist to just wearing this like ashy gray color. So make sure you stay tuned to the end to see what we're going to do. And if you've been loving these free YouTube videos and want to go a little more in depth, check out the link in the description box down below. That will take you to my entire library of color classes so you can dive a little bit deeper than we're able to do on the YouTube platform. So I promised to share something a little outside of the box with y'all. And for my client Jess today, like I said, we wanted to kind of incorporate these ashy gray tones to her hair, but we also wanted to do something to spice it up and add a little fun. So what I'm going to be doing in the front panel is taking our Lilac Chill High Speed Toner, but also adding in some of the Tutu Booster. The Tutu Booster is going to be our violet booster, so by adding this into the toner, we can intensify our color and bring a little bit more of that violet tone to it. So we're going to be doing this formula in the underneath of the front quadrant of her hair, just to give her a little pop around her face of something fun. I'm applying our toner and booster formula just like I was the rest of the color, by really focusing on the mids and ends and feathering it up into her root area. I don't want to completely take over her natural color. I just want to amplify it a bit and give it a little bit of spice. Once we're done with our processing time, which is super quick, like I said, these are high-speed toners, so we didn't have to let her process for half an hour. We were able to achieve these results in a really short time frame, which is great. And after our process is done, I'm going to shampoo, condition, and then style her using 2 of my favorite Olaplex products. I went in first with Olaplex number 9, which is a heat protectant, and it has a pollution shield, so that way we don't have to worry about pollutants in the air damaging or stressing her hair out at all. And I'm also utilizing the new Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Spray. This spray decreases your blow dry time and just gives the hair a lot of really nice volume. I'm going to go through with my round brush first because Jess obviously has naturally curly hair. So to give her that really fun, like wavy blowout look, I want to go in with my round brush first and make sure that her hair is pretty smooth before I start doing any waves with an iron. And here is our final look. Hands down, my favorite part is the little accent piece that we did around her face with that booster. It just really gave it a little bit more of a kind of like violet-y pop. And then we were able to successfully neutralize all of that yellowy, brassy warmth that was living in her ends. So now she has a really seamless blend from her natural gray down all the way to the tips of her hair. I really hope y'all love this transformation. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.